Good afternoon, everybody. In the last class, I gave you an assignment to write a reply. So I'm handing you over the microphone and over to you. Let us see what you have written. Stand up and take it. You need to keep your camera on and start reading what you've written.
Dear Johnson, thank you so much for your response. I am glad to receive your letter and I am so impressed that a youngster like you have shown interest in such program. We heartily welcome you to join our program. We have created a group for youngsters who shown interest in our program. So you can join by filling our form which is available on our website. And all the programs which is organized by us is also available. You can donate as much as you want in our given bank account details. I am very glad that I at least encourage you and Mr. to join our program to help the disabled people of our society. And thank you for taking the time to bring your concern to our attention.
Okay, that's very good. Yes, Nick?
Next. I'm only body. First of all, thank you everyone. Thank you for donation. Yes, I go to pay the money and thank you for going to come back to our society. If you like to join to go to the member and after that you will send the member of the certificate. Thank you again personally to visit our organization. On the behalf of our organization, I would like to thank you for your donation and financial support that help us to continue our mission to help the helpless person. The NGO member have made a request to us. They would like to invite you and thank you personally for your help. Thank you again for your kind support. Thank you. कोई नहीं किया यार हम भी हो Hello. Okay.
And now we are moving ahead. The next is the letter of inquiry. In types of formal letters and formal letter format, we are writing letter of inquiry.
What you have this activity you are doing?
You need to pay attention what is the letter of inquiry. What do you understand by the term inquiry? When you want to gain some information.
When you want to buy something, when you want to take admission somewhere. The letter of inquiry is issued.
How will you write? What will you write? And this time, no mistakes. No excuses. The question is, what do you understand by letter of inquiry? I'm not asking for an answer. The question, elaborate your answer, support your answer with an example. Watch our letters of inquiry. Support your answers with examples. Keep quiet. Are you? Is the screen visible to you?
चल रहा है.
As the name suggests or implies, this type of letter is the source of collecting information. So an inquiry letter is a source of information. You want some information, you want to gather some information. So how do you go about it? People usually use the letter of inquiry as one of the most used business letters. The most commonly written letter, the most used business letter is the inquiry letter. A letter of inquiry helps a person to have information like some course, or job, or inquiry, or the prices of services and products, terms and orders, or work engagements, etc. Inquiry can be just about anything. This should be understood. This is the answer to what is a letter of inquiry. Take down the notes, write in bullets, so that when I ask you, you come up smartly and tell me or tell the class what is a letter of inquiry. Write down. You can use your own language. Do not copy from the text. Paraphrase it. Read the content. The language should be your own. As the name suggests, as the name inquiry generates, implies, this type of letter is a source of collecting information. No screenshots, write down the answer. An answer well written is what is required in business communication. Do not go for short work. Do not go for smart work. Even if the content is shared in your group, I want you to write it down. The question was, what do you understand by inquiry letter? How would you define an inquiry letter? I would like to know what is your understanding. You can come up with your own answer. You can come up with your own language. But what I suggest is that you read the content first. You read the paragraph and then come up in your own language. I don't answer today, okay. Not give you any homework because you're not doing it. Source of collecting information. It Can we joke about anything? Log in and see the screen.
Yeah.
I want this to be an interactive session. If you speak more, you will learn more. You will ask more, you will gain more. So do not just sit there passively, but be active in the class. We all want personality development. You need to speak out. You need to make presentations. So, does anybody have an answer? What is an inquiry letter? Whoever is speaking, it should be loud. The
Next question is, what will you keep in mind while writing an inquiry letter? What will you keep in mind while writing an inquiry letter? What will you keep in mind while writing, while drafting, while placing an inquiry letter? While writing an inquiry letter, क्या चीजें ध्यान रखने लगते हैं जब inquiry letter लिखते हैं? तो क्या चीजें important हैं? What are the things to keep in mind?
Things to keep in mind.
Things to keep in mind. Number one.
Give a brief introduction.
Give a brief introduction about yourself.
Include the name of the organization you're working if possible. Provide clear details
about the interior of inquiry.
Be clear in your thoughts.
Be clear in your thoughts. Provide clear details.
Pose this present your queries in a clear and understandable form. Mention the deadline. What happened?
Mention the deadline. What happened?
You cannot see the screen.
You cannot see the screen.
All of you have the screen, no? The first was brief introduction about yourself. Things to keep in mind when writing a letter. Now, talking to the person who cannot see this. Okay, the name of the organization. So, working in an organization. Company organization का name. Otherwise, not required.
Not required.
Provide clear details about the area. What you want to know, be clear. Present your queries and doubts in a clear and understandable form.
Present your queries and doubts in a clear and understandable form. Talk in a common language and be precise.
Mention the deadline by which you read the information. Mention the deadline. And this format is the same as the formal letter. Now here's a sample. This is the heading. This is the heading. Then there's the date. This is the inside address. The director, ABC classes, 35 Patel Street, New Delhi. And then subject line should be after that, not here. Subject: inquiry about CAT coaching classes. And this is the letter. As you see, this is in block style. Heading. In heading, you will write your name first. Your name and your address. Name required. This is the heading. You will write your name and your address, then the date line, then the inside address, then the subject, and then the letter. The letter has three parts. The first part, second part, and the third part. So this is the letter of inquiry. Somebody please read the letter. Anybody? Read loudly.
Dear sir, this is with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India for CAT coaching classes. I have passed the degree examination.
1 minute. Let me edit. I have
the degree.
Hello.
Pass the degree examination with as the main subject. I am
as what as the main subject? As maths, as computer? No, your admin student. No? As whatever. I am keen on joining your institute. What do you mean I am keen on joining? I am interested. You're not reading properly. I'll read. This is with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India for CAT coaching classes. I have passed the degree examination with dash as the main subject. I am keen on joining your institute for coaching classes. Kindly let me know about the procedure of applying for the qualifying test and its date. I would also like to know the duration of the coaching program, the duration of the number of classes per week, along with the available mode of classes, information about the fee payable, and the study material is highly appreciated. Could you please send me a copy of your prospectus? So this is very clearly stated what the person wants from the director. You can break it up and write in bullets also. Like, let me know about the procedure of applying for the test. You can break it up with bullets. 5 points, 5 bullets. Because it makes it very clear. Instead of writing in paragraphs, write one sentence and how many points are there. And then this is the closing line, the third paragraph. I would like to enroll as soon as possible. Your early response will enable me to decide fast. Thanking you with kind regards. The person's name. ऑडियो लेटर के पहले इस चिट्ठी का जवाब देना है. You as a director of the concern, whatever. अगर आपको लेटर लिखना है इंक्वायरी के लिए, how will you write? Supposing you want to take up some foreign language courses, French classes, German classes, Hindi classes. Let it be whatever it is. The question already has been put. So you as the director of the coaching classes, how will you write back? Try it out. Try it out. What will you write? Here you will have to create a letterhead for CAD coaching classes. Create a letterhead. Okay. Supposing you already have created letterhead, you just write CAD coaching classes. So that is the letterhead. Fine. And then you will write the letter. What will be the inside address?
Nagpur 01.
Nagpur is the name of the person. Your name. Write your name. Write your address. Yeah. So you're the director. You have to write to BCC to so many students. Huh? People at the back, you're in trouble. अगर नाम संतोष कुमार है तो डियर संतोष कुमार will be the inside address. This is the inside address. Santosh Kumar, 16 Ring Road, Nagpur, 0201. And please write today's date. Write the subject line. The subject line would remain the same. Yes, no? कंफर्मेशन भी हो सकता है, इंक्वायरी का वो भेज रहे हैं, इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं, इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग कैच कोडिंग क्लासेस, इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग कैच कोचिंग क्लासेस. You can choose your own subject, but it has to be clear. When this Santosh Kumar will see the letter, he will see the subject line first. Okay, information about CAD coaching classes. Yes, that should be sufficient. Your subject line should convey the message. फिर क्या वो आपको डियर सर बोलेगा क्या? तो रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट. बाप रे. Dear Santosh Kumar, director is writing to a student. Supposing director sir is talking to you, what will I say? Respected girl, respected CR. ऐसे बोलेंगे क्या? कैसे बोलेंगे?
Dear Santosh Kumar.
Dear Santosh Kumar, it has been observed that you have been absenting for a long time. तो रिस्पेक्टेड क्यों नहीं लिखेंगे यहाँ पर? All right. What a joke. अभी हम बताते हैं, अभी बताते हैं. Now the letters will be issued to people who are sitting at the back. Dear backbenchers, it has been observed from the last few weeks that you have been creating a lot of ruckus in the class. Ruckus means हेलो. रकस का मतलब होता है हो हल्ला हल्ला हंगामा कर रहा है, राक्षस नहीं. देखिए ये बस बैरियर ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. मैंने कुछ कहा तुम्हें समझा नहीं. मे बी आई चोज द रॉन्ग वर्ड because you did not understand. Yeah, ma'am. No. Yeah. How many understood the ruckus? The meaning of ruckus? No, they are there who's understood. Do not create a lot of ruckus. Lot of tamasha, lot of hangama, lot of ho halla, lot of disturbances, lot of turbulences. There are students who understand. So I will not write respected students. I will write dear students. So why here as a director I will not write dear. I will not write respected, but I will write your name. Right? Understood? Now this assignment again has been given to you. The more letters you write, the better you will start writing. So I'm giving you assignments after assignments, but you need to work on it. No? Yeah. हाँ तो क्या लिखोगे, कैसे लिखोगे? नहीं वो तो हो गया. हेडिंग वुडिंग सब हो गया, लेटर हेड हो गया, इनसाइड एड्रेस हो गया, सब हो गया. सब्जेक्ट भी हो गया, डियर भी हो गया, सैल्यूटेशन भी हो गया. Please refer to your letter dated 31st, whatever date, wherein you had asked for information, your inquiry letter regarding catch coding classes. I am pleased to inform you, to give you the details about our coaching center. Please find herewith attached a prospectus, attached prospectus कर रहे हैं, please attach
find attached prospectus which will enable you to decide and take action. Thanking you, yours sincerely, director. हाँ, prospectus attach कर रहे हैं हम. हाँ, yes. Enclosures, prospectus, that has to be attached. PS क्यों लिखना? PS नहीं लिखना. हाँ, NB लिख सकते हैं. NB, the admission will be closing on such and such date. Please meet us on or before the 30th of December. नहीं, वो क्यों लिखेंगे हम? I will write, please meet us before the 31st of December. इससे क्या होता है? पता चलता है कि हम लोग 1 जनवरी के बाद क्लास शुरू कर देंगे और एडमिशन क्लोज हो जाएगा उस वक्त. Then you will be left high and dry. Did you understand? Now on these lines you will drop your letter, and that's it for today.